have never been to a workshop where women are going to be the leading roles. I expect it to be a very special event where I can have the opportunity to network with other early career female academics, as well as those senior female professors and institutional organizers. After the workshop, it's far beyond my expectation. There are a lot of fantastic activities. We have female professors shared their valuable life and career experience in those keynote sessions, panel discussions, mentoring session, like how to build a strong research team, like how to prepare a job interview, how to balance work and life, and so on. Before the mentoring session, they're like superwomen to me. I was always wondering how they managed so well. After talking to them individually, I feel like those superwomen, they're also human. They also feel frustrated when facing so many challenges and difficulties. So I wasn't alone, but their passion and persistence towards research helped them handle all those challenges. This encouraged me a lot and made me feel more confident to pursue a career in academia. After attending this workshop, I got to know that academia has realized the gender equality issue and is making efforts to speed up the progress on gender diversity. This message is very important and encouraging to early career female academics like me. I feel the women's power from them, and I also got to know how excellent can a female do in academia field. For me, this Rising Stars workshop can be a life-changing event. Because of this workshop, I got the chance to talk with the department faculty members here in HKUST. I got to know how supportive they are to the early career female academics. And I got the chance to express my research vision and passion to them. I think because of this workshop, I got the interview opportunity afterwards and then finally got the position here. Girls, if you are looking for an academic job, or if you are questioning yourself and hesitating whether or not to stay in academia, come to the workshop. You will get the answer. So I have one extra tip for you. Before attending the workshop, do spend some time, prepare a professional CV, and do some research on your corresponding departments of the organizing and sponsoring universities. Get prepared. You will probably get an interview opportunity after the workshop. Good luck!